fresh full set in under 20 minutes for $8. Like, girl. Yes. So this is what you're gonna need. So you're gonna need your nail polish of choice, whatever color you want. Yeah, girl. Then you want your acetone. I have this because my girlfriend does shoes, so yeah. But yeah, get the standard. It's the same thing, whatever. You're gonna need your cotton balls. And then I got this nail glue from the dollar store for $1. Let me let it zoom. $1. And nail file, of course. And then I'm gonna leave the link down below for these nails that I got. They're from EC Basket. It is a brand on Amazon, and they were $7.99, and it was Amazon Prime. And so they come, you know, in numbers. You know, they come like this in little bags, and they're numbered so that you know. So what you're gonna do first is start with clean, fresh cut nails, and yeah, just like trim them as low as you can, and that way you're good to go. So I'm gonna go in and just put a little bit on this, like so, and I'm just gonna clean off my nails. Yes, girl. Got them thought booty diggers on deck. So now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just spread everything out on the table so that we can see what we're doing. You just go in and you just, you know, see if this one fits. And this one fits my bigger hand, so I'm gonna set that one aside. You wanna make sure that you use a smaller size so that it doesn't look all jumbo and chunky. So as you can see, that one is a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna use that one. So I'm gonna set that one aside and just go through the rest. Okay, so here I have them laid out in the order that they're gonna go, like this. So just lay them out straight like that. Then I'm gonna go in with this nail file. This is a seven-sided one. And so I'm just gonna, which one did I use first? This is the yellow buffer nail one. So I'm just gonna buff. Okay, so now that that's all done, it's time to glue the nails on. But what you're gonna do first is take the nail, and I like to dig my cuticle back. Just push it back with the nail. This step is optional, but it helps it look more like it's coming, you know, from your skin, like a fill-in, you know. So we already did that. Now I'm gonna go in with my dollar store nail glue and just apply a thin layer all over the whole nail. So it's all over. And what you're gonna do now is press the nail like the bottom first, and then just kind of slowly press it on. And then I'm gonna hold it. Hold it, hold it. all done. This is what they look like. I'm gonna let the camera zoom in on them. Yep, so they're already shaped, but sometimes at the top, you have to file that little piece off. So I'm gonna go in and use the medium grit one and just get the little, let me let it zoom in. The little top parts off. I was gonna paint them, but I decided not to because, like, I just really love the way that they look naturally on their own. And the color I got was natural, so yes. And I'm just using this dog to show you guys. This is Moses, by the way. My baby brought this for me. Ain't it cute? But yeah, I really liked them on their own, so I'm not gonna paint them, but I am going to lotion my hands up for some pictures. So a little bit about the fake nails. The press-on nails, they do last for about 2 weeks, just like with the normal fill-in. But I do recommend being like extremely careful because, yeah, these aren't acrylics or nothing like that. Like, they're just like nails, girl. But I always keep me a little nail glue on my own, like in my purse, just in case I have a little, you know, a little whoopsie daisies. But that's pretty rare if you do it the way I do. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and if you're not doing so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you guys think, and as always, thank you for watching.
Said I wish I was a normal girl.